Our industry is going through a rapid and profound digital transformation, a transformation driven by a new set of market dynamics, which is changing the way companies operate to remain competitive. This demands a new way of thinking about the way we design, build, operate, and maintain critical assets and production processes. The people perform work the way in which we interact with new enabling technologies like cloud, AR, VR, AI, edge, etc. That is, the assets, people, and processes will all need to be digitally assembled to a unified construct to deliver innovative solutions and strong financial returns. At Aviva, together with our customers and partners, we lead this transformation and improve asset and operations life cycles through human insight and collaborative innovation. We offer the industry's only comprehensive trusted digital twin, fully integrating the entire value chain from asset creation to operations delivered in real time. From water and energy to food and infrastructure, Aviva empowers industries to derive business value from digital transformation. During the asset creation cycle, our customers can improve time, cost, and efficiency of capital projects by digitally defining and integrating process and plant engineering. Our unified engineering portfolio includes all elements of design, engineering, procurement, and construction, and with this, project function can reduce project total installed cost by up to 10%. Few companies are like Shell and Southern, just to name. After the facility or plant is built, our unified supply chain management solution extends the operational element of the digital twin. Through our strategic partnership with companies like BP and mining company Roy Hill, companies like ADNOC, they deployed Aviva solutions enterprise-wide to realize unprecedented gains. Our production operations and optimization software allows us to digitalize and automate all elements of production. This offering has increased throughput by 10%. For companies like New Belgium Brewery and Maple Leaf, implementing predictive maintenance strategies, managing risk, and improving reliability with asset performance solutions allows our customers to maximize return on capital and get the most out of their workforce. This aspect of our portfolio is not only important for improving asset lifecycle, but also critical for health and safety aspects. With over 50 years of innovation, 16,000 customers, 4,200 partners, and 16% of revenue invested in R&D annually, at Aviva, we create proven and trusted solutions that drive digital transformation and deliver meaningful results. In the road ahead, we will continue to innovate through a strong collaboration with our partners to empower people, industries, and enable our planet to thrive.